all the, he's used
Morning
to taking,
Star.
He's used to taking things in food, so he has to be pilled, but he's so good. It's like you just lift the top of his head and pop it in, sort of thing, whereas Sassy goes all spiky and horrible and stressed. Your chip is 5302 Yes, so we got this young cat about March, April time. My mum's